There are no other dealerships in the UK that can continue with the frequency of the supply of these exceptional cars that we do. This has just arrived. It's a Land Rover Range Rover. It's a D350 HSE in Eiger grey with 1,000 miles on a 72 plate. The car is exceptional in itself with the styling, the 23-inch wheels, the Shadowline exterior pack, and an HSE spec with a sliding roof as an option. This car is in a like-new condition, and it is the ultimate driver, daily driver. Incredible driving machine through the four-wheel steering to the comfort inside. Of course, the Range Rover is the most exceptional vehicle in the Land Rover range, and this one is no exception to that. So you'll see from the exterior at the bonnet, you'll see the Shadowline exterior package, so darkened badges and grille to the front. You'll see the digital LED lighting system in these new Range Rovers. Fully loaded really as a standard car with the 3D surround, the 13.1-inch Pivi Pro operating system inside. But this one has a big option of those wheels, 23-inch, and I like these wheels on this car. I think the styling all matches in with the body colour. These are the diamond cut with grey insert 23-inch wheels. The interior is pretty special as well. The ebony leather with the pimento accents through the steering wheel and the dashboard, I think that's lovely. And we've got the sliding roof. This car is an HSE, has head-up display, soft closed doors. Just everything you want from one of the most exquisite vehicles you can buy on the market. And like I say, not readily available at a dealer. We are supplying so many of these cars to you guys, and you'll know that if you follow us on social media or any platforms. To the rear end, digital LED lights to the back, and again, this is one of these lovely styling features Range Rover have implemented with this lighting system. It's just, you know, the indicators and the digital lights that come through here. Look at that. Assisted tailgate with privacy glass. This car's got a black roof, contrast black roof, and the contrast styling to the rear of the car. Big boot space, assisted tailgate, air suspension, switchable in the back. Intelligent seat fold. Obviously this is a big boot. I wouldn't be able to reach over and do these seats. The fold with the electric button there. There's your assisted tailgate. So this is a D350. It's a 350 brake horsepower, 3-litre diesel engine. Plenty of power, and the 350 horsepower is a big feature of this particular car. Into the rear we have reclining rear seats, obviously ambient lighting, Meridian 3D surround system, heated and cooled rear seats with digital climate control, plenty of space in the back of the new Range Rover, and it's just a stunning car, isn't it? No one can deny soft closed doors. No one can deny the build quality of these, the exceptional technology advancements that Land Rover have made through that Pivi Pro system with the 3D cameras, the drivability of the car with the all-wheel steering, which means these big cars are so easy to park. But not only that, they handle incredibly well, especially this engine, the 350. It is a bit more expensive, of course, but it does warrant that expense. It's a great driver. So jumping in, I've mentioned this interior already. I do really like it. The two-tone interior with the ebony seats, the Perlino dash and steering wheel. The seats are 20-way, heated and cooled to the front. It's just a stunning thing, isn't it? Jumping in. So keyless entry, of course, from this car with keyless start. Big feature for me is the head-up display. So if you come inside, you'll see we have head-up. Another nice interior feature on this car, we have the clear sight camera. So this interior mirror is a camera system into the aerial at the back. And we also have the black headlining with the tilt and sliding sunroof. Standard features on one of these cars for sure is things like adaptive cruise control now. We have heated steering wheel, we have the full crystal clear digital interface behind the steering wheel. Lovely stuff. And then we have the 13.1-inch touchscreen with Pivi Pro navigation, Bluetooth, wireless smartphone interface, all your four-wheel drive and terrain settings easily accessible. Putting it into reverse through the short shift gearbox, you'll see we have reversing camera, 3D camera, top view camera, all really incredible technology stuff. Look at that. Heated and cooled front seats, heated front and rear screens, and this car, the build quality and the finishes inside are just second to none. It's a stunning place to sit, as all Range Rovers throughout the years have been, but they've just taken it up a notch with this new one. On the website now, again, we'll talk about this car's main features: the 23-inch wheels, the sliding roof, the Shadowline exterior pack, the 350 engine. The car's in a new condition. It is priced to sell on the website. My name's Richard. Use my number on the screen. Thanks for watching.